Okay, see here, a purse contains some coins. So we are having one purse, it is containing some coins. Okay, so the coins are 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, and 2 rupee coin. Okay, purse contains 1 rupee coins, 5 rupee coin, and 2 rupee coins. Okay, now the numbers, see here how the numbers are given. Of this number of 1 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupees. So now what we'll do, 5 rupee coins we'll suppose. We'll take number of 5 rupee coins as x. Okay, so let number of 5 rupee coins equal to x. We have taken x. Now number of 1 rupee coins, how much? How many are the 1 rupee coins? 3 times the,
3x.
so
3x.
number of 1 rupee coins. How much? 3x, because 3 times the 5 rupee coins. If 5 rupee coins are 3, then 1 rupee coin will be 9. If 5 rupee coins are 2, then the 1 rupee coin will be 6. Okay, there will be 3 times the 5 rupee coins. This is fine. Now see here, next one. And 1 rupee coins are twice the number of 2 rupee coins. 1 rupee coins are twice the number of 2 rupee coins. 1 rupee coins. So number of 1 rupee coins equal to how much? Twice the number of 2 rupee coins. This you have understood? I have written from the book. Okay. So 1 rupee coins, number of 1 rupee coins is twice the number of 2 rupee coins. Number of 1 rupee coins equal to twice the number of 2 rupee coins. So we have got 5 rupee coins x, 1 rupee 3x. But number of 2 rupee coins we do not know. So we have to find first number of 2 rupee coins. Piyush is not getting admitted today. Okay. So number of 1 rupee coins how much? 3x. 2 into number of 2 rupee coins. So number of 2 rupee coins you have to find. So number of 2 rupee coins will be how much? 3x divided by 2. Have you understood this one? 3x divided by 2. The relation was given. Number of 1 rupee coins equal to twice the number of 2 rupee coins. And we have to find number of 2 rupee coins. Number of 1 rupee coins, 3x. So number of 2 rupee coins, we take 2 from right hand side to left hand side. So 3x upon 2. So we got 3x upon 2. So we got 5 rupee coins in terms of x, 1 rupee coins in terms of x, 2 rupee coins in terms of x. Understood this much? Any doubt till now?
No, sir.
Okay, so always read the question properly and try to understand it. Okay. Now see, if the total number of coins is 66, that means if we add all these three numbers, it will be equal to how much? X plus 3x plus 3x upon 2 equal to how much? 66. Total number of coins. Total number of coins is 66. Now x we can calculate. X will give us the number of total 5 rupee coins. What the question is asking, value of 5 rupee coins. So first we calculate the value of x. X, how much we are getting? 6 or 12?
12.
12. Okay. So x comes out to be 12. It means how many 5 rupee coins are there? 12. And the question, what question is asking? What is the value of 5 rupee coins? So number
12
of 5
into
rupee
5,
coins.
60.
Number of 5 rupee coins, how much? 12. And value of 5
12.
rupee coins? 5 into 12.
60.
It will be how much rupees? Rupees 60. Okay. Unit always put. Understood now? 12 second, any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read the question once. Okay, Anuj has an equal number of 2 rupee coins and 5 rupee coins. Okay, equal number of 2 rupees coins and 5 rupee coins. So number of 2 rupee coins, how much? Number of 5 rupee coins. So let number of 2 rupees coin be x. So number of 5 rupee coins will as well be x, because number of 2 rupee coins is same as 5 rupee coins. Pranika, please switch off your camera. Pranika and Pranjal. It's switched off. Okay. Okay, now see here. He has also some 1 rupee coins and some 1 rupee coins as well. Okay. If the total number of coins is 40, okay, number of 1 rupee coins we have to find. So total number, how many coins he is having?
40 minus
He
2x.
also, okay. If the total number of coins 40, total number of coins given is of coins equal to how much?
40 coins.
It means number of 2 rupee coins plus number of 5 rupee coins plus number of 1 rupee coins. How much? 40. Understood this one? Number of 2 rupee coins x, number of 5 rupee coins x plus number of 1 rupee coins equal to how much? 40. So number of 1 rupee coins will be how much? 40 minus 2x. Understood? So number of 1 rupee coins we can write 40 minus 2x. We got the 1 rupee coin, number of 1 rupee coin. Okay, now read the next line. And their value is 120. Okay, total number of coins 40 and their value is 120. So total value, yes. Okay, black pen. Total value equal to how much? 120 rupees. Total value is how much? Rupees 120. Okay, so total value we can calculate. It means value of 5 rupee coins plus value of 2 rupee coins plus value of 1 rupee coins equal to how much? Rupees 120. Understood this one? So value of 5 rupee coins will be how much? 5 into x, 5x. Plus value of 2 rupee coins, 2 into x, 2x. Plus value of 1 rupee coins, 40 minus 2x into the whole into 1. It is same as 40 minus 2x. Okay. If you want, you can write it like this as well. It's fine. But here it is plus. So if you remove the brackets, it won't change anything. Okay. And this is equal to how much? 120. Now further you can solve 5x, 2x minus 2x. It get cancelled. 2x and minus 2x. 0. Now 5x equal to how much? 120 minus 40. 5x equal to how much? 80. X equal to how much? 16. And what you have to calculate? How many 5 rupee and 2 rupee coins does he have? 5 rupee coins how many? 16. And 2 rupee coins how many? 16. Understood?
Sir, can you explain this question one more time?
What you haven't understood, you tell me first.
Sir, this question full.
Full, it's not possible. What you haven't understood? What you haven't understood?
Sir, today, sir, my network problem. So, sir, I joined, sir, now only. So, sir, I want
Okay, do one thing. Go through the video. If you don't understand, ask me tomorrow morning, okay?
Okay, sir.
Come 5 minutes early, 8:55 I'll be here and I will tell you then, okay? Go through the video once, okay?
Sir, from 18 January, our school will open.
I don't know.
Sir,
I don't
news
have
came.
any information till now. News
Sir,
is
in
there.
today's newspaper, it came on 18 January. 9 to 12th schools will reopen.
That is from 9 to 12.
That may be possible. It's on government. Government will decide. Okay, and school majorly will follow the orders from government. Okay, now 16th question. Read 16th question. The length of a rectangle is 5 meters greater than its width. Okay, so we are having rectangle. Rectangle we already studied. The opposite sides are equal.
Equal.
Okay, this is our length. This is our width or breadth vehicles. So here it's width we use W. Okay. So length of a rectangle is 5 meters greater than its width. Now, if we suppose width, let the width of rectangle equal to x centimeters. Beautiful. Okay, x meters. Now, the length will be how much? Length of rectangle will be how much? It is given length is 5 meters greater than its width. It will be x plus 5 or 5 plus x. That is same thing. This will be the length. It is 5 meters more. And what is given? Perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter equal to how much? 50 meters. Perimeter how much? 50 meters. Okay. Perimeter is 50 meters. And what is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter equal to, we have to, it's the sum of the boundary. That means L plus W plus L plus W. So twice the L. Formula we L plus W plus L plus W. That is sum of the total boundary. So it will be 2L plus 2W or 2L plus W. That is 2 into L plus B we used to write. So same here, 2 into L plus W. So perimeter is 50 equal to 2. Length is how much? X plus 5 plus X. So 2 goes on that side, it will be 25. 2x plus 5. Further you can solve. X comes out to be 10 meters. You can solve. X comes out to be 10 meters. You can solve it further. 10 meters. Now,
Yes, sir.
breadth, you have to find the length. Length will be 10 plus 5 meters. It will be how much? 15 meters. At last, you will length of the rectangle equal to 15 meters. Understood this question? Okay. 17th, you do it. Try to do it. You have 1 minute. Read the question first.
Sir, the answer is coming 15 meter.
So what you got? What you have got? X 10 meters. What is X? Width. What the question is asking? Length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle is 5 meters more than the width. So X is 10 meters. So length is how much?
Sir,
X
which-
plus 5. Therefore 10 plus 5. 15
Yes, sir.
meters.
Yes, sir. Right.
Yes, it is 16th. 16th, 1/6. Understood?
13, 14, 15, sir, you not done.
They are not in syllabus. They are not in syllabus. All the questions related to streams, age, they are not in syllabus this time. Understood this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 17th question. In a right angled triangle, one of the acute angle is 1/5 of the other. So we are having which kind of triangle? Right angled triangle. A, B, C. It is right angled at angle B. Okay. Now what is given? One of the acute angle is 1/5 the other. 1/5 the other. If we are taking, so which one we take? For example, this I am taking X. The smallest angle I am taking X, and this will be 5X. So two acute angles we are having, angle A and angle C. Okay. If C I am taking X, A I am taking 5X. Or you can take this as well, like this as well. If you are taking this as X, it will be how much? X by 5. One angle is 1/5 of the other. Either you can take like this or this way. Any way you can take. Find
Sir,
the
any
measure of
information about exam?
exam. Till now, I have only heard that it will be after 14th January. It may be after 14th January. If school opens, then I don't know. It will be after 14th January. Okay. So I'm going with this diagram. Okay. You can take any of these. You can go with any of these. You'll get the answer. So one angle is 1/5. Two angles are there. How they're related?
Sir,
Yes.
do we have to draw this diagram in our notebook?
It's good if you draw. It's good if you draw. It's better we can analyze by looking at the diagram. Picture is always good than just the sound. Okay. So in a right angle triangle, one of the acute angle is 1/5 of the other. If one angle I am taking X, other I am taking 5X. Okay. How they are related? This angle C is 1/5 of the angle A. Angle C is 1/5 of the angle A. And here you can take it like this as well. If this is X, it will be 1/5 of the angle A. Okay. Any diagram. So I'm going with this. So smallest angle is angle C.
If we have done this exercise, then can we start the other exercise?
Yes, you can. You can always move forward. Okay. So this is fine. Now, so let the smallest angle be X. The other acute angle will be how much? Equal to how much? 5X. Okay. This we are taking. Now, what you have to find? We have to find the measure of the smallest angle. That is, we have to find X. Okay. Which property will be using? We have to find the angle. This is 5X, this is X, this is 90 degree. And the sum of the interior angles of triangle?
180.
180 degrees.
180 degree. So put here X angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Angle A 5X plus 90 degree plus X equal to how much? 180 degree. 6X equal to 90 degree. X you can calculate now. How much you are getting? 15 degrees. So smallest angle we have to calculate. Smallest angle is how much? 15 degrees. Can you calculate now? Okay. 18th question. Any doubt in 17th? It was easy. 18th is also easy. The base of an isosceles triangle is 3 centimeters longer than each of the other sides. So isosceles triangle, what is the property in an isosceles triangle?
Two angles are equal and the third angle is
Okay, only two angles are equal. Okay, or we can say two sides of a triangle are equal. Okay, so here AB and AC are equal, and BC I'm considering as base. Okay, so it is given the base of an isosceles triangle is 3 centimeters longer than each of the other sides. So if I'm taking this as X, AB, this will be as well X, and BC how much? 3 centimeters more. 3 centimeters you can put centimeters. Okay. So if the perimeter is 54 centimeter, find the length of the sides. So let the each equal side equal to x. Okay. The other side, the base equal to how much? X plus 3 centimeters. Okay. Now the perimeter 54 centimeters. Now perimeter will be how much? AB plus BC plus AC. So x plus x plus x plus 3. How much? 54. You can calculate now. 3x equal to how much? 51. X equal to how much? 17. X equal to how much? 17 centimeters. So it will be how much? And what you have to find the length of the sides. So sides will be how much? 17 centimeters, 17 centimeters, 17 plus 3, 20 centimeters. Understood this question? Any doubt?
Sir, explain 18th again. My network connection was lost.
Okay. So 18th question, see here, what is there? Isosceles triangle. It means two sides are equal, A, B, C. These two sides we are considering as equal and BC as the base. So we are supposing let each of the equal sides equal to x centimeter. This means it is x, it will be x as well. It will be how much? Base is 3 centimeters more than the equal sides. It will be x plus 3 centimeters. The base equal to how much? X plus 3 centimeters. We got. Now in question it is given perimeter equal to how much? Perimeter equal to 54 centimeters. And perimeter of the triangle is how much? Sum of the sides. So x plus 3 equal to how much? 54. Now solve it. X will be getting how much? 17 centimeters. So the sides are how much? 17 centimeters, 17 centimeters. And how much? Base x plus 3, 20 centimeters. Understood now? Now you can check as well. 17 plus 17, 34. Plus 20, 54. That is perimeter is 54 centimeters. Okay, understood now? Okay, now a little bit of inequations we will discuss. So till now we have discussed equations where left hand side is equal to right hand side. In equations, they are not equal. They may be equal, but there is a sign of greater than or less than. So till now we have used equal sign. For example, x plus 2 equal to 5. Okay. And using this equation, we have solved for x. And this time we'll be having like this. X plus 3 greater than or greater than 1. X plus 1 less than 2, or x greater than equal to 2x less than or greater than or equal to 2, like this. These equations are inequations. They are inequality because left hand side is not equal to right hand side. It is same page number. What page number? We are starting next exercise. Okay, so we are discussing it. So they are not equal. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. These are inequations. Inequations. It is inequalities. They are not equal. Here it is equal. This is equations. We are equating left hand side equal to right hand side. And these are not equal. They are unequal. These are called as inequality. That is, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So how we relate left hand side to right hand side? Greater than sign, less than sign, or greater than equal to sign, less than or equal to sign. Okay. Now see here, in these questions, mainly a replacement set is given. Replacement set, it's a big box from which we will be taking the answers. We will be taking the answer. What can be the answer from this big box or this big set? And then we write the solution set. Then we write the solution set or truth set. So this will be our replacement set or domain. On this, we will apply this inequality and we will take values from this. Okay. And whatever solution comes, that will be a solution set or truth set. Okay. So I will be doing one question here. So if question is like this, x plus 1 greater than equal to 4. Okay, this is our question. And it is given x belongs to natural number. That means what is the replacement set from which we will be taking answer? This is our natural number. So natural numbers means x can have values how much? 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. X will take the value from this set. Okay, from this we'll pick the value for x. Answers for x. Understood? This is our replacement set or domain. X belongs to natural number. That is, x can take only values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. From this only x can take the values. Okay, understood this one? Now solve this equation. X will be greater than or equal to 4 minus 1. X will be greater than equal to 3. It means x is greater than or equal to 3. So what will be the value of x? What all values x can take? From this it has to take. So 1 it cannot take, it won't satisfy. 1 is greater than equal to 3, no. 2 is greater than or equal to 3, no. So 3 is equal, x is greater than or equal to 3. Next 4, 5 up to infinity. Understood? So x belongs to natural number. So from these natural numbers, x will take the values. And what values x is going to take, that depends on this inequation. So x equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, this one. Okay. If I do the replacement set like this, if the replacement set R is 4, 6, 8, 10, or 1 as well I write. This time what will be the value of x? From this you have to take the values of x. So x will be how much? It has to be greater than equal to 3. 1 is less than equal to 3. 1 is less.
4, 6,
so we
8, 10.
want 4, 6, 8, 10. These will be the values of x. This is our replacement set or the domain. From this only we can take the values for x. Okay. Understood now?
Sir, if that equal to sign is not there, then
Okay. Okay. For example, replacement set is this one. 1, 3, 7, 8, 10. Okay. This time we are not having equal to sign. X is greater than 3. Now, what all values x can take? 1, can it take? No.
1.
3, can it take? No. Because x has to be greater than 3. So 1 it can't take, 3 it can't take. Now 7, 7, 8, 10. Understood now?
Sir, if 3 is greater than smaller values than
3
3.
is not greater than 3. 3 is not greater than 3.
Sir, if the question came,
If it is 3.1, then also we cannot take. If it is 2.9, then we can take 3. Okay. X is greater than 3. As x has to be greater than 3. X cannot be equal to 3 in this question. Okay, if I write like this, if it is less than, this time what will be the value of x? X has to be less than 3.
1.
less than 3. So x equal to 1. Okay. If equal to sign, then 1 and 3. Okay. And if this is the question, if I remove these two, this time what will be the answer?
Zero.
This time what will 0? If I put 0,
Set.
then, but see here, 0 is a number. It is not here.
So
So
then nothing answer.
nothing answer may be denoted with null. This will denote null. No answer, or you can write like this. Nothing in the set. This is not null. That is no answer. No number. Okay. Or like this. But never put it like this. It means a set is there containing one element. Okay. So either you put this one, this sign, or this sign. Understood now? More we discuss as we go further. So we can start the start the question. Okay, start the exercise first. 5C. Read the questions. So a replacement set is there. 3 minutes are there. So read the question first.
In notebook or book only?
See, you have to do in notebook. All these questions you have to do in notebook. Okay. All the 5 questions you have to do in notebook. So first write the replacement set on top. In notebook, write the replacement set and then start one by one. So replacement set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our replacement set, this is a set from which the values are to be taken. Okay. Now first is x less than 2. X has to be less than 2. So what all values x can take? What all values x can take? 0,
0 and 1.
2 it can't take. 2 is not less than 2. Okay. Now second, x is greater than 0. What all values it will take? X is greater than 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
0 and 1.
X is greater than 0. It will be taking all the values except 0. X is less than equal to 4. Less than equal to 4. This time, what will be the value of x? X is less than equal to 4. 0 is less than equal to 4. 0 is less than 4. 1 is less than 4. 2 is less than 4. 3 is less than 4. 4 is equal to 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is not less than 4. So these only values it will take. Okay. Do fifth one. Do fifth one. It is important question. How you are going to do? Here I will tell you something more.
Sir, time over.
Okay, just for fifth one you do once. It is important. 4 minus x. Then we'll leave here. 4 minus x less than equal to minus 3. How we are going to solve? So if we take 4 on right hand side, it will be what? Minus x less than equal to minus 3 minus 4 minus x less than equal to minus 7. Now what we are going to do?
Sir,
We have to
cancel the minus signs.
Sir,
okay. Now see here. When we cancel the minus sign, this has to be reversed. It means we are multiplying by minus 1 on both the sides. By negative number we are multiplying x. This sign will change. Yeah. How we are doing? See here. Minus x greater than minus 7. It means this minus x we are taking on any way you can consider. We are taking on right hand side, it will become plus x. Minus 7 we are taking on left hand side, it will become plus 7. Plus 7 less than equal to x, or x greater than 7. Or always remember this one. Okay. Mainly we used to do it like this. Minus x less than equal to minus 7. This time we have to multiply both sides by -1. Whenever we multiply both sides by negative number or we remove the negative sides from both sides, the sign has to be reversed. Sign has to be reversed. Okay, understood now? This is important question. Mark important. So x equal to how much? 7. First, fifth, mark important. Sixth as well, same. So try to complete this first question. Okay. Okay, so we can end it here. Okay. And tomorrow we'll discuss more.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.